Every single day in our daily life, we come across an entity that visits us every morning, 7 days a week. It's either waiting at the doorstep of our house, lying on our coffee table, or at our office desk. Every morning, it literally brings the world to our doorstep. Yes, my friends, you guessed it right, it's our newspaper.
It's often said a good newspaper is a nation talking to itself. Our paperman has taken this further, and we can safely say newspapers have become a nation building activity. The life of a newspaper is just a day. In the single day, a newspaper seems to live its life to the fullest, from our doorstep early in the morning to scrap by the end of the day. But not anymore. Covered with particles of dust in a scrap shop, newspapers have now been given a new life by our paperman, Mr. Surendra Shroff, a Rotarian from the Rotary Pune Central. He introduced to the society the concept of paper bags during the year 1990, opening employment opportunities to thousands of economically challenged people across India. Surendra and his team realized the huge size of paper waste by people and decided to come up with a solution that is now a savior to the environment. The use of plastic has had an adverse impact on our environment. Let us not delay any further and save Mother Earth by walking on the environmental friendly steps created by people like Surendra Shroff. The Paper Bag Project is primarily recognized under the Preserve Planet Earth movement of the Rotary District. Being a managing committee and trustee of the National Association of Blind Khandala, with over 100 aged and visually impacted members, Mr. Shroff understood their need for employment and started teaching them to make newspaper bags that would help them earn a living. Let us share an incident that boosted the reach of this project. One day, Surendra and his colleague were visiting Karaikal village near Pondicherry during the tsunami relief program organized by Rotary Pune. During his visit near the seashore of the village, he came across a group of young children who were staring at him. They said, "Why is this gentleman holding a simple newspaper bag?" After learning about the story behind it, the children were super excited and forced Surendra to teach them the paper bag making skill so that they could make a living out of it. After conducting the unplanned workshop, he realized how the skill could empower society and create employment opportunities. Today, this project has completed over 1,000 plus workshops conducted by 20 plus trainers specially trained by Surendra Shroff, employing over 10,000 individuals who are taught to make over 20 styles of paper bags and who now live a life with dignity.
Deaf and dumb boys and girls came from Dombivali to me. One girl, Miss Deshpande, she is a deaf and dumb. She gave me this particular picture. This is not a simple worldly picture. See, you can see here this figure. This is ear. All the people, they are blowing their instruments. She says that since we are deaf and dumb, we are not able to listen to the music. But she is telling me that they are holding their hands together, working together, and they are earning their livelihood with confidence, self-respect and dignity by making bag making.
Who knew a regular piece of newspaper could have the capacity to hold 15 kgs of weight? It is not only in India, but locally made bags are being exported. During the holy festival of Diwali, when every household is engaged with celebrations, a set of women requested to meet Surendra on the very same day. On the auspicious moment, the ladies took up the opportunity to thank Surendra for the way his initiative helped them, sharing their success stories from housewives to being self-employed by making newspaper bags. A lady from the group, being a cancer survivor, said how she repaid the entire health loan by herself without any help from the family, and how one more lady explained on losing her wedding ornament how she could actually buy a new one not only for herself but for her family members.
My message to the society is, when you are using a plastic bag, they are done by machine, and lot of plastic is generally created and pollution is taking place. Instead of that, if suppose they buy these bags from bottom of our pyramid, then they will start getting earnings out of it, and their livelihood opportunities will get better. And that is why they should stop using plastic bags and they should start using bags made out of surpluses of other industries, raw material and newspaper.
Not a paperman, but Superman to thousands. Surendra Shroff has given us one reason to inspire billion. It is now time to inspire, motivate, progress, and succeed. And now you know the real story.